So this is, I'm waiting for your last questions, but while I'm waiting, I'm going to show you how to make a landing page inside this system, yung Thrive. Now, lagi kong ginagawa ito sa webinar ng IVS at Second Income. Kasi paulit-ulit. So if you have access to the old IVS and old webinars ng Second Income, ginagawa ko to every webinar. Pages, add page, right? Pages, add new. And then the name of your landing page. For example, get my free ebook. Halimbawa lang, for your client. And then you publish it, right? Di ba ganyan gumawa ng landing page? Title mo is publish. Tapos edit with Thrive Content Builder again, right? And within a few seconds, I'm gonna make a landing page. Are you ready? Type nyo, ready na po. Seconds lang po. Gagawa akong landing page. So pag nag-load na yan, ayaw pa mag-load eh. So you wait for the thingy to stop spinning. Ayaw na po. So mag-type na kayo ng tanong, tagal eh. Ang tagal mag-load ng o ano man yan. Yeah. Kinikwit ko na lang yung iba kung ano. Pagal eh. Ayaw mag-load. By the way, if you're looking for the live meeting, I'm gonna upload it tonight. Yung raw pala. Actually, yung raw, hindi naman raw. Nabura ko na yung mga parts na tahimik. Pero hindi pa siya yung finally edited na version for the live meeting. Okay? It's gonna be interesting. We have a brand new guest, Olive Coronado. I did not train her, so she's coming from a very different background as a virtual professional. So if you did not go to the live meeting, it's an exciting meeting to see. Okay, so watch out for that, yung recording ng live meeting. Okay? Pasensya na ang bagal kasi talaga. Hindi po mabilis si Jumar. Well, mabilis yung mga computer ko. Ako hindi. Sir, ayaw mag-load. Nahirapan na siya. Sandali edit. Ano ang comparison ng FB ads sa IBS 2017 at 202? Okay. Ronnie, super in-depth ang 202. Go get it if you're interested in BA, in Facebook ads. As in, basic na basic to advanced. Nandun na sa 202. Ang ginagawa natin sa IBS is for strict, specific use lang ng Facebook ads, which is promoting something. Okay? Pero ang BA 202, if you want to work for a client, tapos zero ang knowledge ni client, halimbawa, sa Facebook ads, ma-explain mo sa kanya lahat. Okay? From layman's point of view, paano magpa-andar ng Facebook ads. Pag nag-202 ka, kasi pati yung mga explanation to layman, pati mga diagram nandun. Sa IBS kasi, we just show you how to do it. Okay? Show you how to do it right. Pero wala namang explain na kasi ganito to. Ito yung pinanggagalingan yan. Kaya ganyan ang ginagawa dyan. Okay? Gets nyo? So, super in-depth talaga ang 202 when it comes to Facebook ads. Okay? The basics, including yung mga latest na pinagbabago ni Facebook, nandun sa 202. IBS is, ang pinanggagalingan ng IBS is ganito. And I need to promote myself. I also need to promote my clients. But whenever we create Facebook ads, it's really to get emails. That's it. Or to sell product. That's it. Pero kulang yung mga in-depth stuff like, bakit natin ginagawa yun? Bakit natin ginagawa yun? Bakit natin ginagawa? Lahat ng mga bakit natatanungin sa'yo ng kliyente, masasagot mo. Okay, so yun ang value ng 202. Especially if you're working for a client and a beginner. Let me tell you, most of the clients you will have are going to be beginners when it comes to Facebook ads. Okay? They will be beginners. Ikaw ang magtuturo. Kaya mataas pa sweldo mo eh. Kasi pati ikaw, ultimo yung basic stuff, ituturo mo pa sa kliyente. Which is good. Kasi mataas value mo. Okay? Ladies? Hi. Pagpili ng audience sa Facebook ads. Yep. You should understand that ang audience selection is totally dependent on the clients. Yung sino yung gustong i-reach ni clients. Okay? Pwede namin turo sa inyo. However, to be realistic, wala kayong client pa. Adrian, may client ka na? Wala. So, even if I teach you how to select the audience, it's really not your job. Kasi, trabaho ng client mo yun. I mean, your client is selling, let's say, a book, right? So, dapat alam ni client kung kanino niya binibenta yung libro. Pag hindi alam ni client kung kanino niya binibenta yung libro, tumakbo ka na. Diba? Hindi niya alam kanino niya binibenta eh. The person who will define the audience is not you. It's the client. Gets? And if you're worried about audience identification, VA 101 ka dapat pumunta. That's content marketing strategy. Kasi dapat alam ng kliyente yung make-up ng kanyang audience. Like me, sa akin, like 80% single moms. Tapos 20% na parents. You get me? So alam ko sino yung tapos 100% followers of Brother Bo, halimbawa, or spiritually aware na tao. Yun yung mga audience. Hindi po yun automatic na pag magaling ka sa Facebook, magaling ka sa audience selection. Kasi content marketing strategy yan. Plus, kailangan malaki ang input ng client. Kasi hindi mo naman alam sino talagang bibili ng produkto ng kliyente mo. Kasi produkto niya yun. Okay. So anyway, here's how you select a landing page in a few seconds. Go to the right side, click choose landing page, wait for the screen to change, and then click on, let's say, author focus homepage. Sa bottom, meron kang pwedeng pindutin na load landing page. At tapos na, may landing page ka na. Tapos sana mag-cooperate, napakita niya yung itsura. Now, when you create a landing page, it erases everything na nilagyan mong layout, tatanggalin niya yung menu mo for the page only. The page will just contain your landing page. Mawawala yung tutorials mo, yung about me mo, yung logo mo for this page. Your page will only look different if they load the landing page. But if they load the original website, it's gonna look like this. Yes? Nandun yung about me, nandun yung tutorials, nandun yung resources. Pero yung landing page, ang itsura niya, wala na yun. Okay. But it's in the same website. So that's why your website can contain multiple landing pages na iba-iba itsura, iba-iba kulay, iba-iba pictures, selling different things, but it's all in the same .com. This is the same website. ideas@prosper.com/instructions. Pero iba na itsura. And you can just customize it. Tanggalin mo yung logo. Tanggalin mo yan. Lagay mo yan yung Hi, instant virtual skills. It's very easy to modify this. This is a great app to use. So, madali, di ba? Pinipindot ko lang, nababago. Follow the format. Change the image. Click. Tapos meron dito nakalagay na saan yung image dito? Click. Change image na words. Anong gagawin mo pag change image? Pag change yung image, pindutin mo yan, insert to post. Tapos na. Gets? Of course, hindi bagay yung picture ko kasi pula yung background. So, pili tayo ng iba. Picture. Yan. Virtual careers there. So, instead of my picture, ay, hindi na palitan. Ayan, virtual careers na. Pwede na? Yes, so this is a landing page to be continued, obviously. Pero sa landing page will be utilized mostly by second income students. Okay. Sa IBS, you don't necessarily need this. Not really. For looking for a client, not really. But this is one of the things you paid for sa Strive. Might as well learn how to use it. Kasi nandiyan na nakalagay, yung dapat mo ilagay, paltan mo lang yung picture, huwag mo na paltan yung font size, yung colors, don't. Just put in your text. With that, thank you very much for joining Instant Virtual Skills 2017. That was basic. From my point of view, that was basic. I didn't expect to teach you Thrive today, but I wanted to get it out of the way para meron tayong progress. Yes? What's different with this year is I am going to try to breathe down your neck. You know what I mean? Ronnie, Marlene, Nenita, Marvin, Levy, Jean, James, Ivy. Ivy, yung tanong mo, sagutin ko. Grace, Evangeline, Estrel, Danilo, Chuck, Christine, Kathy, Camille, Anne, Alan, Adrian, and MJ. I really do want to just push you to do something. You know what I mean? Push you to act. Kasi parang yun lang kailangan niyo. Tama ba ako? Push you to act. Because you need that for results, right? You need to act para magkaroon results kayo. Prove for yourself that this works. Because it has worked for so many people around the world already. Na if it doesn't work for you, you just have to adjust. Yeah? So good night po. Your assignment is to impress some author out there. It doesn't require you to set up anything. It requires you to just download a picture from Amazon, upload it to place it, ilagay nyo sa blog post. Kung tamad kayo, padala nyo lang by email yung mga pictures. Bottom line, it's gonna take you less than a minute to do it every day. That's our new rule, by the way. I'll end with this. Please devote 1 minute to doing the place it. Kaya, a day. Kaya ba? Pakitype, I devote 1 minute to doing this a day. Do not devote more than that. Kaya, 1 minute to probably find a person with an author. 1 minute. Like after this, 1 minute, look for an author na nag-launch ng book last year sa Amazon. Save his, copy mo yung picture ng book niya. So, just go to Amazon, look for a book. Doesn't have to be marketing, just, look for girl power books. And then, let's go look for books. Wala pang 1 minute yan, girl power books. Change the order of the results to what? Publication date, right? And this one will appear next year. This year pala. So Cinderella for Slippers, maybe take that, get it, copy it, put it in place, send it to David, Kali, and Raphael, blah, blah, blah. Can you do that, guys? Can you do that, please? Please, 1 minute lang. Tapos na 1 minute, hindi nyo pa nalagay sa place it. Bukas na ulit. Yes? Pwede? Pag nagawa mo ng 1 minute, nakopya mo na yan, save ko na yan. Bukas na, tuloy nyo na lang bukas. Wala nang oras. Gets nyo? Let's just assume you guys have no time except for 1 minute a day. Kaya, then tomorrow you put it in place it. Place it doesn't even require you to upload anything. Yes? Kaya? Can I rely on you guys to do this? By the way, we're moving to Teachable. And we're moving to a brand new Instant Virtual. Next month, we're going to be in IVS 2017. So if you haven't moved, you haven't upgraded, you haven't continued your old rate, you won't be able to see the next lessons next month, even in the IVS Facebook, because we're going to move to the IVS 2017 Facebook group. So I'm going to just copy this and tuos-tuos na lang tayo mga kababayan, ha? So, please promise me kaya niya 1 day. 1 minute a day. Ay, yung iba. Naghuhugas ko yung pinggan. So, lagay ko dito, they promise 1 minute a day. So, I'm just gonna load up your promises here para mabalikan natin. Kasi pag ito hindi nyo nagawa, at least mahihiya kayo sa sarili ng grabe, 1 minuto, 1 araw. kalimutan pa. Parang ito lang isabihin pag ito hindi nagawa. Ayaw niya. Hindi enough yung why. Kasi 1 minute a day, nakakalimutan pa. Pag hindi enough ang why, gusto pa ng hirap, walang magagawa yan kahit 1 minute a day. Kasi nakakahiya na nga yung 1 minute a day. So ito, nilagay ko na. Nilagay ko na sa IBS group yung pangako nyo. 1 minute. Merong mga hindi sumasagot I'm assuming you guys like naghugas ng pinggan or something or naka-cellphone, hindi marunong mag-chat. So that's okay. Okay lang. Now this is only for those who want to take action, na 1 minute a day. Sa mga ayaw, halimbawa si Christine, kanina pa hindi sumasagot yan. Huwag kumilos. Alam niyo naman ang consequence ng hindi kumilos. Evangeline, wala din. Si Ivy din, walang text. Sino pa? Marvin, wala. Ronnie, ni Marlene, wala. Ang push. Si Marvin, meron na. Thank you. Cathy. Hi, Cathy. Hi, Ann. Hi, Alan. Hi, Adrian. Kaya wala kayong pangako. Nainis sa yung si Lucia. Tagal ko daw. Papakita niyo yan dito sa IBS 2016. Pakita niyo yan Kasi once na-save niyo yung author, upload niyo dyan. Or pagkatapos ng lahat yung place, it show evidence. Okay? Everybody, kaya? Show evidence. Kaya? Okay, thank you very much. God bless everyone. And the brand new link is actually IBS 2017. Ganun lang. Hanapin nyo lang. Pero hindi naman yung mapapasok I-invite namin kayo. Okay, Docs? Invite namin kayo sa brand new page. Thank you so much. If you haven't, moved up to IBS 2017, please do move up using your old rates. It's going to be different. There's going to be a lot of coaching, a lot of pushing, and a lot of answering your questions. Tapos na po ang araw na natuturo na tayo ng mga clever things and nobody asks. Plus, of course, we have a brand new venue. Kita niyo naman brand new venue natin. Ganda. Sa Active Fun building. So, it speaks on so many levels about what you want. Okay? God bless. Thank you so much. Next month, we hit WordPress security. Unless, of course, hindi pa kayo ready. May. Ano schedule ng May? Yeah. By the way, if you don't know the schedule for Instant Virtual Skills, bigay ko sa inyo Minub ko nga pala yung March. So, then the schedule for May is found in jhilar.com/IBS calendar. Ay, wrong spelling. Kainis. IBS calendar. Yan. So, yeah. Lagi namang may schedule dyan. Pero hindi ko sure kung na-move na yung March. Yung March kasi ginawa ko siyang 25, I think. Hindi siya... na-move na pala. Sa 25 na yung March. Okay? I don't know if you can see it. I already showed it here. So, nandiyan yung schedule ng mga Tapos ang ating outing, sinasama sa outing, as usual, it's a low-priced outing in a nice place, including food, in a brand new place. So our outing is in March 22. Sorry. Ay, nawawala ako. Nasaan na ba? March 22. Yan, yun ang outing natin. So, March 22. March 22 outing. Tama kayo? Dapat. Hindi kayo pumunta sa sa magandang outing, yung planning. Punta kayo dito sa outing. Bakit? Ang outing ay nire-rehearse mo ang buong... I made the outing for IBS, by the way, in case you don't know. Kala mo nag-outing lang kami. Hindi, the outing was invented because I wanted to add another dimension in IBS. Okay, so what's that dimension? Is the dimension of rehearsing success. Okay, type that in. If you do this right, this virtual careers, second income, you're going to be going on many, many, many outings, far more than the usual entrepreneur does, because you can stay longer in those places. You can go there in times na walang katao-tao kasi wala kang pakialam kung walang pasok. Yes? So we are rehearsing your success. And the way we evaluate outing locations is very strict. It must be really good. You get me? Sobrang ganda, sobrang sarap ng pagkain. You get me? So that's the outing. So our outing is no longer nothing. It's a something outing. Okay, so we're giving you a success rehearsal. Maybe we'll call it that, the success rehearsal outing. So it's not an outing where you're busy. It's an outing where you totally enjoy the place. Kaya nag-outing eh. Para ma-enjoy mo yung outside, hindi sa bahay. Okay, so just wanna encourage you, para sa inyo itong IBS na outing, March 22, i-block nyo na yan, weekday yan. Hindi namin gagawin sa isang weekend ang outing. Kasi walang point. It's a rehearsal for virtual careers, second income, IBS. It has to be a weekday. Okay? Sanay na kayong mag-outing on a weekday. Kasi yan ang buhay natin. And you should be glad, no? Pwede na kayong maraming outing sa weekends. Okay, Docs? So, yeah, one day we will be doing an outing outside of Manila. Don't worry about that. Actually, lahat ng outing outside of Manila. Pero hindi pa tayo nagka-outing na lumilipad. One day, I envision ang outing natin, hindi lang Zamboanga. Hong Kong, Singapore, Osaka. Gets nyo? Gusto nyo? 5 araw, mga ganun. Gusto nyo ganun? Outing. Gusto ko. Mura na eh. Singapore, 3,000. Osaka, 12,000. Japan yun na. Kaya na eh. Kaya nyo na. Mas mababa lang yun for virtual careers. So, ngayon, Osaka is 12K. Balikan. Adult. Isa. Diba? Rehearse nyo na. This internet ton, sarap magtrabaho. You finish stuff faster. 45 Mbps up and down. Kahit nasa labas ka. Panalo. Earning dollars, spend it in Japan. Diba? So, para nyo nangawa, sumali kayo sa outing. Kasi para sa inyo yan. Ang charges sa IBS is minimal. Ang charges sa mga hindi members ng IBS, mataas. So, it's your privilege. It's gonna happen in March 22, Wednesday. Make sure you're there. Okay? If you have to fly in, fly in. Thank you very much. I'll see you on March 22 and also second income meeting. Kailan man susunod na meetings? Second income meeting this Saturday, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. I think we're gonna do it in the hotel sa, anong hotel na yun? Doon sa social na hotel sa BGC. I forgot the hotel's name. Ascot. And then webinar for second income is the next day, that's Sunday, 26. Okay. So that's the remainder of our meetings. And then on March, it's going to be end of ang meeting natin ay 23 Thursday after the outing. Sorry, I made it Thursday. Nag-votation sa mga nag-attend. Thursday, 23, because our meeting for IBS is the 25th. Doon pa rin sa function rooms. SI webinar is on the 26th. And Thursday evening is our webinar for IBS sa March. Okay, so dami natin gagawin. But please do help me, continuously help me by answering my questions. sabihin niyo na yung mga apprehensions niyo para ma-address ko agad. Yes? I do want this batch to be the biggest source of webinar guests and success stories. Gusto niyo yun? Kayo yung success story. Ako gusto ko yun. Kayo yung success story. Yung batch ninyo. Diba? Gawin niyo na yun. Kilos lang kayo. Meron din yung reward. Mabilis lang naman eh. It's not as hard as trying to make your chance smaller like I'm doing. This is easier than that. God bless. I'll see you soon.